And we are happy to share that for August, we have around 3,100 weekly flights. So that's a lot na flights, no? So that includes na yung domestic and international. So that's how Cebu Pacific is right now in terms of our growth, in terms of our network growth and capacity growth. Very madami na flights na pinapalipad. At the same time, nandun din yung parang challenge for us to really be able to meet yung demand for travel ng mga tao. Especially in the regions. Because not just in Metro Manila, we also have lots of stations in the Visayas and Mindanao areas, including Iloilo, which is one of our, I can say, hubs in Visayas, aside from Cebu. So, digging deeper into this, I'm sure you've already heard about this. Cebu Pacific has recently relaunched its flights from Singapore and Hong Kong. So now, by October 27, Cebu Pacific will operate flights from Iloilo to Hong Kong 4 times weekly. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Iloilo to Singapore flights naman will start on November 25 with 3 times weekly flights on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So what does this mean? This means mapapabilis na ang biyahe from Iloilo to Singapore and Hong Kong. Before, it takes you around up to 12 hours to reach Hong Kong given yung mga layovers, yung mga stays sa airport. But now, with the direct flight, you can reach you can reach Hong Kong by at least 3 hours. Ganyan. And then, at the same time, ganun din sa Iloilo. Before, you have to take up to 12 hours going to Singapore. But now, you can reach Singapore by 4 hours. Ganyan. From Iloilo, or 3 hours. And also, that means mas mumura na yung flights. Because hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa mga layovers. Mas mabilis na, mas mura na. And that's really how we see Iloilo as an important hub for Cebu Pacific. Not just a domestic hub in the Visayas, but also an international one. Because we see Iloilo as something na pwedeng ma-develop at magkaroon ng major tourism and business industry here in Iloilo. And that's how we, in Cebu Pacific, help that happen by making Iloilo more connected with the rest of the Philippines and the rest of the world. And something that we haven't shared yet, aside from the international network or flights, we have also strengthened the domestic network of Iloilo. So as you can see here, mas madami na tayong flight frequencies from Iloilo to domestic destinations starting October. So as you can see here, Iloilo, Manila from 48 in September, 48 times weekly, magiging 63 times weekly na siya sa October. And we'll retain that almost same number in November. For Iloilo to Cebu, we will have 23 flights weekly in October and also in November. Of course, recently announced launch of Iloilo Clark. We will start our operations for Iloilo Clark, Iloilo starting October 21, 2024. So dati, walang direct flight from Iloilo to Clark. Ngayon meron na. And starting October, may 2 flights weekly. And by November, magiging daily na siya. For Iloilo Davao, we have 5 times weekly flights now. But by October and November, we are set to increase it to 11 times weekly. Cagayan de Oro, we have 3 times weekly now by September. By October, it will be daily. Same for General Santos. And for Puerto Princesa, by November, it will be daily na. So as you can see, Iloilo remains as one of our important hubs talaga. And we're doing this to make sure that our passengers from Iloilo will be able to explore the Philippines, be able to reach the destinations that they want, but at the same time, be able to really experience what life is. Because traveling talagang aside from leisure, you also get connected with your families, connected with communities, with different cultures, and basically be able to really travel. Yun. And makita natin yung mundo. So yan, domestic for Iloilo. mas madami na starting October. Oh, yun. So, aside from Iloilo, we have also launched or expanded our Manila station. Recently, we officially launched our Manila Kaohsiung route that started last August 16, and it operates 3 times weekly, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And we also have Chiang Mai route now. So Cebu Pacific is the only airline to operate direct flights from Manila to Chiang Mai in Thailand. So the flights will start on October 29, and it will operate 3 times weekly on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So it's much easier. You come from Iloilo to Manila and then fly to Manila to Kaohsiung. And who knows, when we parang develop pa further yung mga routes sa Iloilo, maybe magkaroon na rin ng direct flights from Iloilo to Kaohsiung or Iloilo to Chiang Mai. Who knows? We will see. So yun. But now, it's going to be Manila Kaohsiung and Manila Chiang Mai. And aside from our network, we also increase or parang expanded our fleet because we will not be able to do this kung kulang kami ng eroplano. That's why this year, Cebu Pacific takes 3 more aircraft. So far, we have taken delivery of 10 aircraft na for this year alone. And then we are also expecting pa to take delivery of 8 more aircraft for the rest of the year. So a total of 18 aircraft for this year alone. And of course, we are investing in NEO aircraft. Ito yung new generation aircraft that is more fuel efficient because it burns less fuel and produce less noise. So aside from our commitment to make air travel even more accessible, affordable for everyone, we also want to make air travel sustainable, a sustainable industry, because we all know that the aviation industry is parang major contributor to carbon emissions, and we want to make air travel in the Philippines sustainable by investing in these kinds of aircraft where it burns less fuel and makes air travel even more environment friendly. And aside from that, of course, we have also announced na rin before yung order namin of up to 152 aircraft. It is the largest aircraft order in Philippine history. So that means we have placed an order for up to 102 A321neo aircraft plus 50 A320neo family purchase rights. And we are now finalizing the order of that. That means by 2029, the first orders for this purchase order will arrive, and we are expected to get or increase our aircraft fleet by 152. That's also why we are really investing then in more routes, more flight frequencies, because it's part of our commitment then to the Philippine economy. We believe in the future of the Philippine economy, and that's why we are doing this. We are optimistic that we will grow as an economy, as a country then, in terms of the economy. That's why we are doing this. And we hope na it will also help in bridging the gap sa demand. Kasi mas marami nang nagta-travel ngayon, mas nagkakaroon ng capability ang mga tao na lumipad. Why not meet that demand by investing then in our fleet? So, just to give you a list or an overview of all the routes that we are operating now internationally. So we have from Manila, we have from Cebu, we have from Davao, and we have from Clark. And happy to share also that we now have international flights in Iloilo. And we are also proud to operate the largest or the widest domestic network. So from Manila, you have around 29 flights or 29 destinations that you can reach to. In Cebu, that many. From Davao, Clark, and Iloilo as well. Many flights coming from Iloilo, from domestic flights coming from Iloilo through Cebu Pacific. And of course, hindi naman mawawala ang aming commitment to make air travel affordable for everyone. So right now, may natanong ba, ano pa, may seat sale ba ngayon? Catering to Iloilo travelers? Meron. Passengers may book their flights to select domestic destinations for as low as 199 pesos one-way base fare, exclusive of fees and surcharges. Seat sale period niya ongoing siya hanggang August 31. But the catch is, when you book now, you can also fly now. Kasi ongoing na siya. Yung travel period also started on October 16, of the 16 and it will end on January 31, 2025. So if you have travel plans for the holidays or you want to spend time with your family elsewhere for the upcoming long weekends, you can do so by booking your flights with Cebu Pacific. So yun, that's my presentation. But really, yung commitment ng Cebu Pacific to the Iloilo travelers remains the same.